I'm going to show you exactly how easy beat making is. All we have to do is pull up a basic key sound. This is just a basic piano sound. All you need to know is 3 notes: C, E flat, and G. I'll show you how to find those later. But that's the only thing you need to know. Put your tempo metronome on, set your tempo down. Let's see how that sounds. Oh, I didn't press record. Let's do it again. Okay, just have a little simple line like that. Drag a snare over. Drag a hi-hat over. Drag a kick over. Just that fast, you have a basic beat. Now you can clone it, right? Same notes: E, E flat, G, E flat, and C. And then, of course, you can make it longer by doing this and just stretching it out. And you can double this right here. You just have fun with it. If you want to know more about making beats, you want to know more about easily making beats and how to put this stuff together fast, make sure you click the link below. I'm going to give you 4 lessons right now for free. Click that link below. I'll show you how to make banger after banger.